Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by powering off the watch and removing the band so you have full access. This prevents accidental damage and keeps orientation clear. Next, position the watch face up on a soft cloth and use a suction pad to lift the screen slightly. Do this gently to avoid tearing the display adhesives. Once done, slide a thin plastic pick into the gap and work around the edge to loosen the clips. Make sure to keep screws and parts organized as you proceed. You now expose the internals. First, disconnect the battery connector so nothing powers the board while you work. This reduces risk. Then lift the tiny shields covering the display cables and unclip them in sequence, labeling with tape if helpful. Take your time, these connectors are fragile. Once the display is free, remove the screws holding the existing case and peel any adhesive slowly. As you do this, note where each screw came from so reassembly is straightforward, and the structural fit remains precise. You reverse the steps. Align the replacement case and test fit without adhesive to confirm button and sensor alignment. This prevents misplacement. Once aligned, apply fresh adhesive strips and reattach the display cables, then reinstall shields and screws in original positions. Reconnect the battery last and power on to confirm touchscreen and sensors work. If something fails, make sure to power down, reseat connectors, and inspect for debris. If the screen remains unresponsive, check the battery connector and cable orientation before assuming a part is defective.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.